got another tip on spaces I thought might be useful to share. I've only just realised myself I was able to do this. Doing a takeoff for a long-term client. He tends to specialise in these big flash mansion types, and contractors asked him for several options. So at the moment it's been taken off as stretcher bond to the external leaf, but the client wants an option for Flemish bond to the front elevation only, and then another one for the whole thing to be in Flemish bond. So to achieve that, I've created a space called front elevation, as you can see, and I've applied it to the front elevation. I've enabled the space column from the markups list columns option. I've just ticked space, so space will appear. There it is, and it gives me a space column in my markups list. So everything that's on that front elevation, that's now had the designation of front elevation applied to the space. As you can see, there's various markups that have now got the designation of a front elevation only on them. So that's very handy, because what I can now do is go into summary, the export summary, CSV summary. I can go in, change the name of the file to Flemish, go into the filter option, and I can then pick from this filter and sort menu the relevant and pertinent items that I need to export that would need enhancing to Flemish bond. So I can turn off everything and just pick the relevant ones, as I say, and which will be this one, and there's a curved bay at the front here. So I've selected those. I've then got the option of going into selected everything from the space drop down option, and all I want to export is the front elevation ones. So if I click on OK, I now get an export that gives me the items from the front elevation that need to be enhanced from stretcher to Flemish. I hope that helps somebody.